Gizmos is a free online source that provides math and science simulations for grades 3 to 12. This website makes it possible for students to actually get experience using an online math or science simulation. Gizmo uses an inquiry-based approach to learning that is aligned to the standards and helps teachers form new, powerful learning experiences for the classroom. This is a really great source to use while teaching in a digital environment because students really aren't in the classroom getting first hands-on experiences with experiments. So now we're going to come over here to where it says Browse Gizmos. So you click on that. To give you a little more insight on what this source is, here are some examples because I do not have an account, but they have plenty of free gizmos that you can use. But if I did have an account, I would have so many more options as well. So for example, let's click on compound interest. And for this gizmo, you can explore compound interest in depth from compounded annually to compound continuously. In addition, compound the endpoints graph with dot that fit exponential curve to all-time graph, which has a more step-like appearance. So now let's launch this gizmo. So basically, if this was a topic you were teaching in your classroom, you'll be able to assign Gizmo to your students, and your students will be able to engage in the stimulation from some more experience with the topics.